Alrighty, Ken, here's our 347 small block Ford. The description is same combination. It's got a set of our heads on it. It's got the Edelbrock air gap, quick fuel carburetor, MSD Pro Billet, and we got the black Onyx March. Nice setup. Make sure the alternator charges for you. It's got custom grind hydraulic roller. It has got a front sump oil pan. We'll go in there and make a run on it, see how she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,300, 419 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 425, and peaks horsepower 425. We're rated at 440, front end's about 15 or 20, so everything's good. Now we'll go pull the pipes back, make sure the exhaust's good and clean for you, and I'm going to show you one other thing. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, there'll be this card. Looks like a credit card, business card. It is a USB card. Full of information. It's got all your engine build specs, engine pictures, a lot of technical information in there too. So highly recommend plug it in and look at it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Also, there'll be this tag on the engine. It's got valve lash, oil capacity, whether it's internal, external balance, firing order, your engine timing specs. So make sure to hold on to that tag too forever.